Hey everybody, this is Michael Pavlovich, and today we're going to be talking about photogrammetry. We're going to keep it really simple, and as you can see here, we're going to be using our phone to capture our images. So again, super simple, realistic expectations for what I would actually be using if I'm going out just taking a few pictures and trying to get results. So go ahead and load up your camera here, and I'm using a Note 5, and there's a gear icon in the upper left-hand corner. Move my camera down so you can see that. So go ahead and tap that, and now we're going to our settings here. I'm going to go into the picture size, and by default it was at 6 megapixels. Go ahead and change that to 16 megapixels, and also at the bottom there you're going to see you can save RAW and JPEG files. We're going to be using both of those, so go ahead and toggle that on, and then we're just going to go back a couple times, and here we go. Now we're in auto mode. If you swipe to the left here, you can also go into the Pro section of your phone, and you're going to see you're going to have the ISO, the aperture, white balance, all sorts of cool stuff you can play around with in these settings if you want to.